We just experienced a premier blockbuster matchup between Zamboanga and Abra that went into extra period.
Starters na nakita natin with their last game. And that's one thing naman na sa tingin ko because this group started strong. They started strong. Now with Quezon.
Completed by Nueva Ecija.
Oo. Great anticipation there coming from Billy Robles.
Early offense for the Rice Vanguards, culminating in a triple for Billy Ray Robles. They failed to get it to him. LJ Gonzalez may tangan ng bola to the corner. FEU connection. That's good. Money for Cyrus Torres.
Favorite spot. And you know, that's chemistry big time already. Okay, he knows where to locate that guy.
Torres was just 1 out of 5 from the outside against the Bataan Risers. Gonzalez against 2 white shirts in the lane off the glass. That is good para kay LJ Gonzalez. Same play here for the Huskers. Alcala takes the 3. Macaloni on him. He has the advantage. He settles for the outside shot. Mayor Mark Alcala knocks it down. That's 5 points in the game. The Gozo, there's still a different team with him.
Siguro any team naman na paglalaroan talaga ni Will Gozo with that caliber of a player, mararamdaman talaga yung pag...
Kind of rushed that one. We now approach the halfway point of this first quarter. Cuellar bombs away. Dulay, two of the best coaches here in the MPBL. Of course, Coach Don Dulay already with a ring to show for, winning it with the Davao Occidental Tigers a seasons back. Well, right now, di sila magkasabay sa sahig ngayon. Ayay kicks it out. Collado, he can hit that. Shot clock winding down, no problem. That is all nylon para kay Jay Collado.
His usual self. Alam mo yung off the bench, yung nakikita nating dinideliver niya yung Rice Vanguard na responsibility na role niya. Tuloy-tuloy talaga eh. Nandun pa rin eh.
Al Francis Tamsi out to Fuentes. 3-pointer on the way. Lagrama follows it up. Nope. Minerva gets the pass and he gets the 2 points.
And that's Aga Minerva.
He gets Quezon to within 2 points. Ayay able to handle the pass on the way down and somehow, some way, gets the 2 points.
So going back to sa pinag-uusapan natin is hindi na masyadong nagalaw dahil sa injury itong team ng Nueva Ecija. Unlike itong Quezon Huskers, Francis Tamsi, their movement ang nakita natin for the Huskers.
Ayay launches and knocks it down, extending the Rice Vanguard's advantage to
5. Na nag-i-insert ito si Coach Don Dulay na player, automatic pukpuk eh. It's the quality minutes na ang nakikita natin sa kanila, not the quantity of minutes played.
Could it convert on the layup? Lagrama, free for 3. Malakas, Opiso, putback is good.
That guy also
gets the foul as well. And Coliseum in Zamboanga City. The All-Star Macaloni could it hit Bitoon near the elbow? Yes, that's money for CB.
That's layup for Chris Bit.
Pocket pass to Macaloni. Well defended by Jesse Saitanan. Gonzalez decelerates, gets the pass. Once again, FEU connection. Be brave. Those set back. Bitoon. Same play to Macaloni. This time, Macaloni repays his trust.
And they rin naman.
Lagrama, Dex Cuellar on the... Dagon! That's Simon! Slam Dagon! Yes, sir!
First half.
Certainly our play of the game brought to you by Suzuki. Simon Slam Dagon with a rim rattler to culminate things here in the second quarter. What a way. Our halftime score is now brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball lending partner of the MPBL. But this team also has a very deep roster. Wala pa nga si Domar Patiliano sa lineup na to for this game. Wala rin si Rodel Gravera. And that's tough, coach, in a long season like we have. Gonzalez, wow, what a bucket he has been making
Gonzalez. JC Collier is doing whatever he can do. Pero ang hirap talaga ng mga tira na ginagawa ni LJ.
Collier to redeem himself, rattles in a three-pointer. That rings the bell for the Nueva Ecija Rice Vanguards. Gonzalez now with 15 points in the game. And on the other side, the Ilonggo Superman with a quick answer. Collier to Ayay, quickly to Mocon. Chopper from the outside is good. Galing kay Kenneth Mocon.
Yeah, that down block.
That's actually 5-1. Celis gets it up and in. Off the miss. Robbie Celis.
LJ.
Ayay from the outside. That's good. Mocon with a hand in his face. Yes, sir. That's all net para kay Kenneth Mocon. 10-4 na nga sila in their last 6 games. Macaloni gets a pass to Biton, and once again, a defense of Nueva Ecija fueling their offense. Fuentes, can this be it? Jodel Fuentes, way downtown. Biton, Wilson's asking for it. Oh, Chris Biton loves those stop and pops.
The call, a full 1 quarter in front of us, and alam naman natin ito si Jodel.
Yeah, be wary of...
Alam din natin yan.
John Wilson says, Epepep, multiple misses for Quezon. Gonzalez in a hurry, knocks it down. Trifecta para kay LJ Gonzalez. Torres. Collier, bounce pass. What a feed to Will Macaloni. Gonzalez, corner pocket 3. Ibanez, yes sir! Still a 10-point lead para sa Nueva Ecija. A quick run out here for the Rice Vanguards. Quezon a little bit too slow going back on defense.
Will Macaloni.
And that's why he's been very crucial this season, playing under Coach Don Dulay. RJ Minerva answering back with 2 points of his own. See how well he can play that role of emergency guard for these Huskers. There you go, right on cue. Nino Ibanez, the former Bulacan Kuya, themselves to catch up with the leaders in the Northern Division. They're currently in number 3 in the team standings, as Robbie Celis tries what he's there for, and so is JC Collier. Collier, 2 points more. He has 8 in the game.
And
time running out for the Huskers. Fuentes, top of the circle 3. That's specialty of the house para kay Jodel Fuentes. The shark, can he still smell? That's blocked by Gambanal. Can the Huskers still make a comeback? Sandagon trying to spark one.
That you need to get others involved.
Oh my goodness. You were talking about luck? Well, it seems all the luck is on the side of Nueva Ecija. Final score, 81-68. Nueva Ecija picking up win number 20 in this game. Our final score brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball lending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending, GameX.